Farah. I'm enjoying playing Minecraft.
Me too.
Boris the Teeth Guy. You are supposed to be dead.
Too bad. Isaac, Chantal Dubois and Justin Harrison revive me. Now I'm going to take you away once again.
No. Stop. Now.
I can build things in Minecraft.
Help me.
Oh no. Not my brother again.
Quick. We have to stop Boris the Teeth Guy.
What do you think you're going?
We are trying to save Talon again.
That's it. I'm throwing you in banish.
Hey, can somebody call Ryder?
No. I had no chance to call Ryder.
Here. I will call him.
Hello. This is Ryder speaking. How may I help you?
My brother got taken by Boris the Teeth Guy and Wyatt throw us in banish.
Welcome to the Himalayas.
Not right now, Yeti. We will come after I say bye to Ryder. Okay. Bye.
Okay, Pops. Boris the Teeth Guy was going anywhere. We have to stop Boris the Teeth Guy.
Now I'm going to send Talon to the fish tank. That's I always wanted send Talon to the fish tank.
Oh come on. Now we have to stop Boris the Teeth Guy.
Oh no. It's Catboy's car. Let's get out of here. Let's retreat.
Look, Boris the Teeth Guy is speeding up. We have to get more speed.
Oh no. Now the car is close to my car. I'm going right so Catboy's car go left. Oh no. Catboy's car turn right after I turn right. And here's the Paw Patrol. Oh no. It's Rocket. And it shoots missiles at me. I better dodge or my car gets destroyed. Come on, door. Give us another chance.
Put the spike strip on Boris the Teeth Guy's car.
Okay.
Oh no. It's the spike strip. I will go around the spike strip.
Boris the Teeth Guy. This is my job to send people to the fish tank. Not yours.
But I want to send Talon to the fish tank.
Boris the Teeth Guy. You are under arrest for sending Talon to the fish tank. Only the dentist Job. Get in my vehicle now.
Oh come on. Now I got sent to the fish tank for the second time.
Sebastian, I thought you escaped from the fish tank.
Dentist. Give us our Talon back right now.
No. It is one of my friends. Oh. It burns.
Boris the Teeth Guy. How dare you take Talon away? starting a car chase and send Talon to the fish tank. That's it. You are grounded until you get terminated. And you will get the Scream Extractor tomorrow.
Why, brilliant. How dare you send Robert and Farah to the snow? That's it. You are grounded for eternity. Go upstairs right now.